If the press and hold CAPTCHA keeps looping, fails to complete, or never loads, these steps can help resolve it. What the error means, the verification may fail due to browser issues, extensions, network settings, or cached data. The error often appears as an endless loop or a non-responsive button. Step 1. Refresh and try again. Refresh the page and press and hold exactly as instructed. Avoid tapping quickly, as timing can cause failure. Step 2. Try a different browser. Open the page in another browser, such as Edge or Safari, to rule out browser-specific issues. Step 3. Disable VPNs and ad blockers. Turn off any VPNs or ad blockers. CAPTCHA systems often block masked traffic. Refresh the page after disabling. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Then restart the browser and try again. Limitation: these steps fix most common causes. If the issue persists, it may be server-side or network-related. This troubleshooting is best for users encountering this error on websites using the press and hold verification. Conclusion: refresh the page, try a different browser, disable VPNs and ad blockers, and clear cache and cookies. These steps resolve the majority of cases where the CAPTCHA loops or fails to load.